Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a project that Firebase can rely on, set package name and min SDK consciously. Once done, register the app in the Firebase console and download Google services. JSON, place it into app/folder. Make sure to add the Google Services class path and apply plugin in top level and module level build. Gradle, then add implementation com. Google, Firebase, Firebase Auth, Roman 20. X so the SDK is available. This ensures your app is recognized and the authentication libraries are compiled into your build. You now implement the authentication flows and why each choice matters. Initialize Firebase Auth. Get instance. In onCreate or a singleton application class so the instance is consistent. Then build sign-up and sign-in methods for your chosen provider. Email/password is simplest. Google and phone need extra configuration. Use the tasks API, callbacks, or Kotlin coroutines to await results and update UI on success or error. Remember to verify tokens on the backend if you trust server logic. This prevents spoofed clients. Finish by wiring UI to your auth functions and observing lifecycle. Once a user signs in, store state with Firebase Auth. Get current user and navigate appropriately. Make sure manifest permissions are present and that SHA1 is added for Google sign-in. Test on devices and read logcat for clear error codes. If something fails, sync Gradle and re-download Google services. JSON. The most common fix is mismatched package name or SHA1. Correct that, rebuild and retry to resolve authentication failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.